ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ರೀ? ನೋ, it is not the sanction given by the previous government is not in accordance with law.
In a potential turn of fortune for Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar, the state's Congress cabinet has opted to retract its concern for a CBI investigation into the disproportionate assets case. This decision places the fate of the probe in the hands of Karnataka High Court, which must determine whether the investigation will proceed under the jurisdiction of the CBI or the Karnataka police. The Karnataka government has charted a new course seemingly in favor of Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar, particularly amid his vocal opposition to the socio-economic and education survey championed by CM Siddaramaiah. The cabinet's recent move involves withdrawing concern for the CBI to investigate the alleged ₹76 crore disproportionate assets case. According to Siddaramaiah, the decision made by BJP's Yediyurappa in 2019 lacked adherence to the legal process.
ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ಗೆ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ಗೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಬೇಡವಾ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಲೀಗಲ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಏನು ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಜನರಲ್. ಅವ್ರ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ವೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪ has given oral instructions, then Chief Secretary, then to entrust the matter to CBI. Number one. Number two, sitting MLA ಅವರು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋರು ಯಾರು? ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್. Did he taken the permission? ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲೀಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಲಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
The disproportionate assets case against D.K. Shivakumar emerged in 2017. The Income Tax Department raided his residences and those of his family members. On September 25, 2019, then Chief Minister Yediyurappa handed the investigation to the CBI. Shivakumar appealed to the Karnataka High Court to annul Yediyurappa's decision, but the request was dismissed in April this year. The court gave the CBI 3 months to submit a report. The BJP strongly opposes the Siddaramaiah government's decision.
Into D.K. Shivakumar's disproportionate asset case, the decision of cabinet in this regard is totally illegal, against the constitution. I request our Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar ji, if you have faith in the legal process, if you have faith in legal remedy, please don't entertain such decision taken by the cabinet. I request D.K. Shivakumar to oppose this decision of the cabinet, and also I demand Honorable Chief Minister to take back this decision, because in Income Tax Department so much of money, crores and crores of money has been seized in Karnataka as well as other states in the country.
ಈ ಕಾನೂನು ಬಾಹಿರವಾದಂಥ ಆದೇಶವನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್. ಸತ್ಯಾಂಶ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಕಾನೂನು ಬಾಹಿರವಾದ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನವನ್ನು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ತಗೊಂಡು ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಜನತೆಗೆ ದ್ರೋಹ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಅಧಿವೇಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸವಿಸ್ತಾರವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ.
The CBI has informed the Karnataka High Court that the investigation is 90% complete. State governments hold the right to rescind or modify their prior decisions under Section 21 of the General Clauses Act. The Section 21 of the General Clauses Act, which gives power to issue, to include power, to add to, amend, vary or rescind notifications, orders, rules or bylaws. Siddaramaiah used this Section 21 of the General Clauses Act as a loophole to revoke the case against Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar. Now, the Karnataka High Court will determine whether the investigation will be taken back from the CBI following the cabinet decision. If the cabinet prevails, the investigation will be overseen by either the state police or the Lokayukta. The political future of Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar hinges on the outcome of this case.